Good morning and welcome to the Via del Arco here in beautiful Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. We are out here in the desert of Mexico, in Cabo, right on the Medano Beach shoreline. This is a breathtaking property, 7 stories tall, most of the buildings, and we are staying here for our beach resort and spa vacation. So I want to give you a quick tour around the hotel, and later on we'll take you to all parts Cabo and all parts Medano Beach. But today we are looking at this beautiful property and our hotel room, which is a suite. All rooms are suites. And it is beautiful. You're greeted at the front with the bellhops, getting your luggage immediately from you. No stress, no worries. Go right up to the desk. In busy times, they have 3 or 4 people here, so there is no worries, no lines, no nothing. You are greeted and treated, and this place is divine. They also have one of the best restaurants in Cabo, the Neptune. The Neptune is right on property. I'll show you the menu in just a second here. And here it is. It may change, but this is what we have today, and it is yummy, 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 which I'm going to show you some of the meals in this video, as well as a deeper view of Neptune later. So, in the morning from 6 to 7, you have the coffee in the lobby. The restaurant for breakfast is El Patron. It opens up at 7 a.m. and it goes, I think, until 11:30, and then at 12 noon lunch starts. So my friends, you can get food nearly all the time here. This is Via del Arco. These are the restaurants, the different amenities. They brag having the largest spa in all of Cabo. So if you want to come somewhere you can be spoiled and treated right, it is Via del Arco, my friends. They claim to have two swimming pools, but it's really 3. One just drops into the other. And then you have the beautiful jacuzzis. You have large jacuzzis the kids might get into. And down here on the very bottom of the package is 2 jacuzzis out the back. So if you want quiet relaxation, you can have that. And I will tell you, my suite has a jacuzzi. Yes, it has a jacuzzi right outside on the balcony. It is to die for. And look at all of these wonderful drinks. They are complimentary with your band. You're all inclusive. So you can drink them. They replenish them between 11 and 4 p.m. every day. If you want them replenished more often, then, my friends, you do have a small charge. But this kitchen, look at this. It has everything you need if you're not getting on the meal plan. A toaster, a stove, a dishwasher, all of the appliances, all of the dishes that you would want. Look at 2 different coffee machines. You've got all of your mugs, all of your china. You have a laundry. Look at this. We have a washer, a dryer, a basket, an ironing board. Everything you need to look nice while you're here, and make sure you have all of the amenities of home. Look how spacious and darling this is. And this ceiling is a vaulted ceiling with a chandelier. We are up here on the 7th floor. I highly recommend a 2-bedroom suite on the 7th floor. And it is not as expensive as this looks. This is absolutely incredible. And what do we have over here? A walk-in closet. Look at this. This is huge. Okay, my friends, so if anybody is staying in the living room while you're here, this is just grand. A huge walk-in closet. I could live here. My friends. And here we go with the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, all one open, spacious area. And look at that view. Look at that view. I'm going to take you outside here in a minute. You are not going to believe this wraparound balcony. It is a full L shape going 2 full sides of this room. Look at these towels out here for the jacuzzi. This is awesome. And this is plenty enough space to have all of your friends in other rooms come over. get room service. If you're on all-inclusive, room service is included, my friends. Absolutely incredible. On the property, the only things that's going to be out of your reach if you're all-inclusive, you'll get a 25% discount on most lobster dishes. Most everything else is included. And they give you snacks in the honor bar. That is included every day. And those include some very interesting chips. So I highly recommend trying those pepper chips if you don't mind a little heat. And yum. But again, food is available until 10:30 p.m. at night, every night. So you are not going to go hungry. Well, that's 10:30 for room service as well. So that is so convenient. Look at this bathroom. We've got 3 great smells in here. We have left is hot, right is cold for the shower. And you have these delicious shampoo, conditioner, and your body gel. So this works out really well, really gorgeous. And look at the artwork. You know I love artwork in all of the rooms. And thanks for joining me. This is Where Wendy Travels. We've got a lot more here to show you, so hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And here in the room, we do have beautiful decorations, huge large screen TV. We've got mirrors galore. And we've got a work desk. We have, look at this, my friends, slippers. Most of the floors here are tile, and you do have some beautiful thick carpets. So you're going to love this. You've got the shoes to walk around in. And look at this, an open, spacious bedroom plan. The bedroom has the whirlpool tub. It has a shower stall. It has a closet, 2 sinks. Look at this. And the toilet stall here does have a door. Hey, me! Oh, this is so gorgeous. I hope you can hear me above the waves, because I had to come out here and really show you what beautiful, soothing sounds you are going to enjoy when you're here. And if you get up early and come outside and you can stare at the water just a little bit, the small devil rays, Mobula rays, they do jump out of the water here. They are, they're seasonal. Some are here year round, but these are seasonal. I'll hope to show you that in another video, along with some men fishing and catching. And so hit that subscribe button. You're going to love this. Beautiful closet in our room. Lots of hangers, lots of space, and a safe, my friends. Enter your 4-digit code, hit pound, it's locked. Hit your 4-digit code, it opens. And we've got the blow dryer, the mirror. Hey, me! Plenty of room. And I love this seat right in front of the mirror, right in front of the makeup counter. This is just absolutely lovely. And this hotel is divine, my friends. So many towels. So many beach resorts say you have trouble finding towels. Not here, my friends. They bring you towels twice a day in your room, and they have towels galore at the pool. I'll show you later in the pool video where to get them. It's over near the taco bar. It's also at the place where you can do some water sports reservations. So this is great. We have plugs, so I do recommend bring your own converter and charge plugs. Yes, you can plug US right into Mexico, but it is a couple of, I'm not good at technology, but a couple of megahertz or something like that off. So it's best to use your converter if you have any delicate items. And look at this balcony. Oh my goodness, I'm going to take you on a full tour. And beautiful decorations throughout the room. Plenty of drawer space. You saw the closet space and the, I can't get over how absolutely huge this is. Cathedral ceilings with that chandelier just knocks me off my feet. And here we have the other bedroom on the other side of the room. We have 2 queen-size beds in here. Maybe they're full. I think they're queen. There is no privacy. If you're sharing a room, there is a bathroom out in the living room. I'll show you that as well. So this you have your door going into your shower. Same shower head, same shower, beautiful smells for your shampoo, conditioner, and body gel, all the same amenities, but there is no door separating the bedroom with the bathroom. So if you're sharing the bedroom with somebody, it's time to use the restroom out in the main living room. Oh, beautiful views from every and any window. Hey, tips and tricks. Make sure you close your blinds if you're here during the summer, or most times. It does sun here. We do have sunshine 350 days a year. So yes, my friends, it barely ever rains. We are considered in the desert here. Okay, and look at that, my friends. We have a jacuzzi on our balcony, and that balcony keeps on going around the side with a grill. Look at our grill, and beautiful views, absolutely stunning. If you're coming to Mexico, if you're coming to Cabo, Villa del Arco, the Villa properties, there's 3 of them side by side by side, and they are luxurious. So you have to book ahead now, put it on your bucket list. You want to come here and enjoy this incredible place. If you want complete relaxation, this is the place for you. If you want non-stop activities, this is the place for you. What you want to do is you want to catch the show at 7:30 at the Villa del Palmar, and then go into town and enjoy some nightlife, enjoy some bars being open. Take an evening dinner cruise, take a day cruise, see the arch, scuba dive, snorkel, everything you want, jet skis, surfboards, everything you want is right here. So definitely take advantage of the Villa properties and my sunrise and my sunset videos, my friends. The sun is just starting to crest over the mountain in another day, so hit that subscribe button, see my other video. But this is living large. Again, heat is on the left, cold is on the right, so it's a little bit different than I am accustomed to, but full amenities here in the kitchen. Again, I'm just very impressed. They give you everything you need. Again, don't bring any liquids with you. They've got them all here. Even hand sanitizer. Beat that, my friends. Beat that. Hand sanitizer, take out to the pool. You've got your coffees for in the morning, decaf, regular. You've got your full coffee pot. Of course, you know me. I'm using my coffee pot for my Earl Grey. Just make sure you turn off the pot once your tea is brewed, because you don't want to cook that too long. And full stove. We've got all the pots and pans and placemats, cooking gloves for the grill. You've got your drainer, everything you want in this hotel. Look at this, glass dishes, plastic dishes, your grater, your strainer, everything you need, plastic leftover containers. Beat this, my friends. Make up some snacks, bring them out to the beach. You've got your airtight plastic containers, your everything you need to enjoy this beautiful vacation. So whether you decide to go all-inclusive or you decide to not do the all-inclusive, this place is for you. Grab some steaks. There is a grocery on property at the Villa del Palmar, and they've got a little bus to take you over there, or, my friends, it's less than a block distance. I mean, you're still on property. You just walk across the Estancia Hotel and into the Palmar. Grocery store is right up front with a gift shop with plenty of t-shirts. I cannot get over the chandelier. I just wish you could be here and feel this space. Feel this space. Tips and tricks. There is a different air conditioner system in each of the main rooms. So each bedroom has its own controls. The living room area and kitchen has its own controls. So make sure you adjust all 3 if that's what you need to do. And enjoy your time here at the Villa del Arco on the Villa properties. Yes, we are timeshare members. It's not like it used to be, and I don't care if you get one or not. I just want you to enjoy the property however you can financially enjoy the property. This is magnificent, and as you know, on all of those different websites for selling hotel rooms, yes, you can get your hotel room right there too. So you don't have to do anything special or jump through hoops. However you book your room, you book your room. But this is a gorgeous property, and I wanted to share it with you. This is the view off my balcony. I'm telling you, the cruise ship. Look at that cruise ship. The cruise ships come in here. Yachts come in here. You'll see them go out, and this is the jacuzzi that I was talking about. There's another one further up here to the left, and they are I've seen people at them twice so far in the first 3 days, and you go back 30 minutes later and they're gone. So this is the place to chill out, hide from everybody else, enjoy the perfect views, enjoy your jacuzzi, my friends. I cannot wait to get in here with drinks that I have delivered to the room, food I have delivered to the room. You cannot beat this. A jacuzzi on your balcony. Wow, stunning. The breeze is wonderful. The breeze is almost constant, and it is just an amazing place to come. And just look at this view from the elevator stall on the 7th floor. Just every single inch of this property is stunning. It's calling my name. Alrighty, so we are down by the water, showing you how beautiful and why you want to come to this luxury resort. That is the arch out there, my friends. No, you're not seeing it right. You got to take a boat tour because it's facing the outside there. But I'm telling you, seals, pelicans, water, food, drinks, everything awaits you here at this. And when you come, you've got to reserve just once a boat trip out to see the arch. It's not the same if you don't see the full glory and beautiful of those rocks. So here is, I promised you, this is the Neptune. Salad, oysters. Oh my goodness, these were absolutely enormous and yummy, and I don't like oysters, but my husband loves them. Sushi, look at this, divine lobster sushi. Lobster. Oh my goodness, the chefs here at the Neptune are incredible, and this is yellowfin tuna, polenta, veggies, and a brief shot of the pool. You've got to come, my friends. This is breakfast, and at breakfast you have your choice of, you can eat here or at the Palmar. This is right downstairs. They have everything you can imagine, Mexican and American, for a full breakfast smorgasbord. Truly, this is absolutely everything. They make the omelets fresh, they make your eggs fresh, whatever you want. If you want scrambled eggs, they're there in the pot, or they can make them fresh for you. Whatever you want, they want to make them for you. Pancakes, egg toast, whatever you're feeling like, they've got them here. Fresh fruit all day long. Along with your lunch order a plate of fruit. It is just so fresh, so divine. So many choices here. Oh, and I love the green juice. You've got to try the green juice down here in Mexico. No matter where you go, the green juice seems to be really nice. And no, I'm not promising no sugar. Just, they make it pretty, serve it fresh. Love it. Did I mention seafood? They have salmon for breakfast here, y'all. So no matter what you want, we are right where the Pacific Ocean meets the Gulf of California. So the waters here are so rich. And the Neptune only serves fish and shellfish that are caught the same day. Yeah, you heard me. It's incredible. Caught the same day. So here we go. The arch is just on the other side of this. So you can get your choice of different tours out to the arch. You can get them right here from your concierge desk. You don't have to go anywhere to book those. And I do highly recommend get them at the concierge desk. Get them through the hotel. Don't buy them somewhere else. Have a great day, my friends.